So along with this, there's also a couple other important aspects of fonts. So essentially you have fonts and you have typeface. They have basically become interchangeable in our day and age. However, in the beginning of printing text, they're very, very different. Essentially, fonts are an overarching definition. Typefaces are something that kind of is a component that goes into fonts. So for example, what makes a font is made up of typeface, which is one of those categories which I explained to you, the style, and there are several styles that exist under each one of those typeface categories, and then there is size. So I want you to consider those things when creating your font. Whether you want to, if you would like to develop a uppercase font, that's up to you. If you would like to develop a lowercase font, that's all yours. You can do that. It depends on what you're trying to develop. That's really important. So for one instance, one of the first articles you guys read, in order to create a successful typeface or font, you need to make sure that there is a rule called the capital I, lowercase l, 1 rule. So what that means is this. You have the capital I, you have the lowercase l, and you have a 1. So what you need to do is make sure when you design these that each one of these are distinctive, that you're able to read and tell them apart from one another, because these three characters have very similar characteristics, and if you're not careful, they'll all look alike, and they'll be very, very hard for your viewer, your reader, to be able to understand and read your actual font. The other aspect of this is the X height.